Now let us assume that we would like to add a flange pair at node 6. To do that, just click on node number 6 and all the buttons that are available for inserting elements on node 6 are available to us now. So if you go to this button, it says insert flange pair, click on it. The length of the flange pair, you'll have to mention it here. Let's say that the length of the flange pair is 140 millimeters and the weight is 0.3 kilonewtons or 300 newtons or 30 kilos. 0.30 kilonewtons. Click on OK and Start Prof will add a flange pair at node number 6. So that is how you add a flange pair at any node given in Start Prof.